Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making tamale pie. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You will need 2 pounds of ground beef, 3 cups of mild cheddar cheese, 1 cup of onion, 1 15-ounce can of whole kernel corn, 1 15-ounce can of sweet peas, 1 14-ounce can of stewed tomatoes, 2 boxes of Jiffy mix, 2 eggs, 2/3 cups of milk, 1 tablespoon of Tabasco sauce, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then add your ground beef and onion. Now season with your salt and pepper and allow your meat to continue to brown. Now add your stewed tomatoes and mix until well combined. Now add your corn and peas and continue to mix. Add the Tabasco sauce and 2 cups of your cheese and mix until well combined. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe, along with many other recipes, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. A link has been provided in the description below. Allow your beef to simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn off your heat and set it aside until later. In a small bowl, combine your Jiffy mix, remaining cheese, and eggs. Now pour in the milk and mix until all your ingredients have just combined. Now add the ground beef to your baking dish. Now top with your cornmeal mixture. Transfer it to your oven that has been preheated to 400 degrees, then allow it to cook for 8 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean from the center. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul food cooking class, you will learn to grasp